Using old terracotta containers as buried composters and water reservoirs is a simple, affordable approach that blends traditional practices with modern organic gardening. Each step in this method contributes to healthier soil, better water conservation, and slow, natural plant nutrition without the use of synthetic inputs. The process begins with choosing old terracotta containers, especially those that are cracked, chipped, or no longer usable above ground. Terracotta is made from natural clay and fired at low temperatures, which keeps it porous. This porosity allows moisture and air to move freely between the container and the surrounding soil. Even damaged pots remain useful when buried, turning potential waste into a long-lasting soil aid that does not leach harmful substances. Next, a hole is dug in the garden bed deep enough for most of the container to sit below the soil surface, leaving only the opening accessible. Positioning the container in this way places it directly within the plant root zone. Nutrients and moisture released underground are protected from evaporation, sunlight, and runoff, making the system more efficient and ensuring that soil organisms and roots can access them easily. Burying the container also helps regulate temperature inside it. Soil temperatures remain more stable than surface conditions, staying cooler during hot weather and warmer during cool periods. This stable environment encourages microbial life, which is essential for decomposing organic matter. Bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms thrive in these conditions and steadily convert organic material into nutrients plants can absorb. Chopped organic garden waste is then added to the container. Cutting the material into smaller pieces increases surface area, speeding up decomposition and making it easier for microbes to work. Suitable materials include vegetable scraps from the garden, soft stems, spent plants, seed-free weeds, and pruned leaves. These inputs provide nitrogen, trace minerals, and natural compounds that support soil life. Using garden waste instead of kitchen scraps also helps avoid excess salt or oil in the soil. Different types of plant materials serve different purposes. Fresh green waste supplies nitrogen and breaks down quickly, triggering early microbial activity. This activity creates mild warmth and releases enzymes that help decompose tougher materials over time. Together, these materials create a balanced and active composting environment inside the buried container. Adding a layer of finished compost on top of the chopped waste introduces beneficial microorganisms and helps balance moisture and nutrient levels. Compost acts as an inoculant, jump-starting decomposition, and as a buffer that prevents the mixture from becoming too wet or nitrogen-heavy. It also helps maintain air spaces inside the container, reducing the risk of anaerobic conditions and unpleasant odors. Watering the contents with compost tea further enhances biological activity. Compost tea delivers soluble nutrients, beneficial microbes, and natural enzymes that moisten the materials evenly and accelerate breakdown. These microbes compete with harmful organisms, support nutrient conversion, and help release plant-available forms of nitrogen and other elements. Covering the container with a lid is an important final step. The lid reduces moisture loss, keeps pests out, and prevents odors by maintaining aerobic conditions. While airflow at the top is limited, slow gas exchange continues through the terracotta walls, creating an ideal balance of moisture and oxygen. The lid also protects nutrients from heavy rain and direct sunlight. A similar approach can be used with unfinished terracotta planters, buried near fruit trees, with a greater focus on water management. Water added to these pots slowly seeps through the porous walls into the surrounding soil, providing consistent moisture and reducing plant stress. This steady release encourages deeper root growth and improves overall water use efficiency. Filling these buried pots with water, compost tea, or diluted organic liquid fertilizers allows nutrients to spread gradually through the soil. Roots naturally grow toward the moisture source, increasing root density and improving nutrient uptake. Refilling the pots periodically creates a long-term system that conserves water and minimizes evaporation, making it especially useful in hot or dry climates. Over time, buried terracotta systems improve soil structure and fertility. As organic matter decomposes, the soil gains better water-holding capacity and aeration. Earthworms and beneficial insects are attracted to these nutrient-rich areas, further improving soil health. By mixing organic matter and creating channels for roots to follow,